This is part 2 on the present simple tense. If you haven't seen part 1, you can find the link in the description. So, we already learned how to make sentences like these, with the auxiliary verb do. Now we're going to look at the present simple with the verb to be. Let's see, we can say, I am an English teacher, you are on your phone, she is in bed, we are human beings, they are aliens. To make these sentences negative, we add not after the verb to be. I am not an English teacher. You are not on your phone. She is not in bed. We are not human beings. They are not aliens. And to make questions, we make one small change to the sentence. The verb to be goes before the subject. So we've covered the basics of the present simple tense. We learned how to make affirmatives, negatives, and questions with regular verbs and the verb to be. But what if we want to ask for specific information, like when something happened, or where something happened? Well, for that we have question words. We use where for places, when for time, who for people, what and which for things, why for reasons, and how for additional information. To make questions with these words, we need to use a certain word order. First comes the question word, second the auxiliary verb, third the subject, and fourth the main verb. This word order is important so the sentence makes sense. For example, it's very common for English learners to say something like where you are or what this is. But they should really say where are you or what is this. So remember, question word, auxiliary verb, subject, main verb. Now, let's see how many of our questions you can answer correctly. Where is this temple? Who is this athlete? When does the Bull Run Festival happen in Spain? What do koalas eat? Why do elephants throw dirt on themselves? How tall is the Burj Khalifa Tower? How old is Big Ben? We hope these videos helped you understand the present simple. If you can think of a quiz question, put it in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.